for it? Are you ready for some roots rockers today? Yeah. We're ready. Them say them ready for it. Say them ready for it. Say them ready for some roots rockers today. Yeah. Them ready. Tell you what, here come the kings to take control. Yeah. Here comes the kings to take control. They're wasting time talking nothing close to anything that matters. Polluting the youth, them brains, yeah. Why? And those who have the powers, yeah, they're finding joy in making this the only way. The only way to reach the top, and then you find yourself in the midst of men who don't really care about humanity. All they care about the money that they make and spend, yeah. Take the matters in your own hands and tell me, yeah. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for some roots rockers today? Yeah. We're ready. Them say them ready for it. Say them ready for it. Say them ready for some roots rockers today. Yeah. Them ready. Tell you what, here come the kings to take control. Hey, here comes the kings to take control. Grand start today.
Well, every day we hear mankind say we're tired of the games the system play, and right now everyone wants to get away. Real is what we want today. How much more do we have to take? How much longer will it stay this way? Work so before, chant the stereo, just to bring forth this change. Yeah, take this matter in your own hands and tell me, yeah.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for some roots rockers today? Yeah. We're ready.
Yes, we are.
Them say them ready for it. Say them ready for it. Say them ready for some roots rockers today. Yeah. Them ready. Tell you what.
Start of time, just seed have been planted, and the roots from just seed are forever the strongest. Them will spread propaganda and lie. Through them no say the roots can die. That's why I and I knows that we have the answer for your cry. So if you're looking for the roots, then know where to find way. So if you're looking for the roots, then know where to find way. Them one like them, no, but them know the roots not gone nowhere. So when you're looking for the roots, then know where to find way. Roots are only Tanya, I watch them on the hilltop downtown, getting out of order. Don't lose their mind, well in a bud like swine, gone so far from Jahada. Hold it like I, from San Sister Yuna, like me brother Peter Lukes and Mr. Mojo. Cause all when it clear inside, the wicked will still deny, yeah. So if you're looking for the roots, then know where to find way. So if you're looking for the roots, then know where to find way. Them one like them, no, but them know the roots not gone nowhere. So when you're looking for the roots, then know where to find way. If the roots were to ever die, leaves and branches would have no life. And the roots are the lifeline. Them know this, yet still them lie. They always deny the truth when you ask them. Most of them are see it in plain sight, all when you're blindfolded. Now even a blind man can see what they try to hide from you and me. And even when the smoke has cleared, they say they don't see the roots anywhere. But I know that the roots ain't going nowhere. It's stronger than the trees planted by the rivers of water. Yeah. So when you're looking for the roots, there's nowhere to find way. So when you're looking for the roots, there's nowhere to find way. So when you're looking for the roots, there's nowhere to find way. Yeah, them one like them, no nobody roots, no, can't nowhere. So when you're looking for the roots, there's nowhere to find way. They say yeah, Caribbean crying out, Africa.
Jah is my lifeline. Protect me from the plague them in the night time. Always make my light shine. Be in the right place at the right time. Now you tell myself if I crime. Live good and have a nice time. Don't lack off the pipeline. I'm quite fine. I know someday Jah is gonna set us free from all this misery. I knew it's true. No matter what they say or do, Jah is gonna see us through. Show love not only sometime. Tell the youths how overcome time. Make hay while the sun shine. No falling a captive and go down time. Tell them a fire and burn time. Burn the war and burn the gun crime. Flattering lips and with them tongue line. Tell them to come listen to my punchline. I know someday Jah is gonna set us free from all this misery. I knew it's true. No matter what they say or do, Jah is gonna see us through. Said if you feel like nothing I want, still give thanks for the day where you born. Keep the faith and live on. I'm the one and you won't be gone. Nobody gonna hold your man and go farm. No make no pagan come please you farm. After the storm, it must be a calm. I know someday Jah is gonna set us free from all this misery. I knew it's true. No matter what they say.
Now on you will see them for the longest time. Oh, and a fireman I give them for the longest time. Why? And we no want be them for the longest time. Why they want to go and no feed them for the longest time. Why? Alright then, so me see them from afar. See that they're perpetrating war, yeah. So them fighting over star. Thanks enough for them a blur, whoa. Then the youth them coming from far. Them don't even know who we are, yeah. Me no want see no blood on the tar. Soldier like the SLR, let out jack from behind the bar. We see them for the longest time. Why? Well a fireman I give them for the longest time. Why? And we no want be them for the longest time. Why? They want to go and no feed them for the longest time. Whoa, now and then I've been seeing them for a while.
trying to destroy the sound. Whoa. I've been seeing them for a minute, but tell me corruption right now, we not go in it. Whoa. And I'm seeing them for a second, and righteousness, none of them no bacon. Whoa. Well, the evidence no depend where them depend. Well, I fire them in set one and say again. Boom. See them for the longest time. Why? But the fireman I kill them for the longest time. Why? And we don't want be them for the longest time. Yo, them want take away and don't feed them for the longest time. Whoa, we got judgment. Get a youth a seat and take it for no fun. Don't even check if my children are dumb. Blaze the fire, make it burn, consuming me. See the wicked out, them going down. Alright again. Don't even have to see them too much spectrum. Where you get it from, you say you never take none. Blaze up the fire, make it burn. You see corruption and Sodom. Burn it down, hey! No, me say me see them for the longest time. Why? And a fireman I give them for the longest time. Why? Never let them bring you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them swear you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them bring you down. Never let them fling you down. So they will try their every do, just to them one forget to slew. I'm the man that make the man harm you. Fight against them that fight against you. Whoa. I see they try their very best, forgetting our corruption and stress. But from your cleaning and your water, from your bless, King Selassie, I will bless you every step. So me say again, never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them swear you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them bring you down. Never let them fling you down. When they will do their everything, forgetting our corruption and sin. Them only one you lose and not to win. For cleaning all your heart, King Selassie grant everything, yeah. They will try their every try. Them send all them traitors and them spy. Bag of flattering lips, them telling lie. But the hypocrite, them selling some, them selling fire. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them bring you down. Never let them fling you down. Never let them bring you down. Take you down, never let them get you down, never let them wear you down, never let them tear you down, never let them push you down, never let them bring you down. Must be a better way, must be a brighter day, yeah. Love is a better way, when they want to go astray. Life is a better way, yeah. Love is a better way, yeah. Life is a better way. And it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for roots and rise. Keep on shining your light. I was born a thug. I would take my slug and shed your blood, but the most I had sent is love, and it's around my heaven like a dove. Now it makes me strong, I'm not nervous. As a black man I gotta find my true purpose. Pay respect to the elders, it's courteous, and to the little children be courteous. And it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. It's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for roots and rise. Keep on shining your light. If doing good, there is no
other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh, please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of man really got to say. And now, say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And now, say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truth and rise. Keep on shining your light. Some people know being stupid, just dying themselves. Guns, bombs, disease, drugs, destroying themselves. Seems they've got no joy within themselves. I pray almost die every day for them to find themselves. Keep doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh, please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of us really got to say. And now, say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. Guess it's right, we're shining bright. Boom. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and aim for right. Let us give Jah thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, aim for right. Be active and responsive, don't you be clumsy. Don't you hurt the children of the earth and let no one see. Youths have to die, don't you go astray. Open the brain and let the blessing come amongst me. Remember what Jah has done for us. Create the heaven and the earth, He shine the sun for us. He watch over our daughters and the son for us. He's for all, not just some of us. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all those years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, aim for right. Children, give Jah thanks and praise for all His love and kindness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and aim for right. Love to the world, everyone say. We've been coming a long way. Mount Zion, I love surround way. They get it going the wrong way. El King Selassie, of course. Rastafari is the Lord of course. Israel King is Israel God, of course. Love the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, of course. Do job thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, live for right. Give Jah thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, is the last year. Oh, from morning till noon, give thanks and praise before you doom. Most times the last year is coming soon. Him the fire, the wicked consume. From the hills, I'm to the valleys. From the stream, the fountains, and the tributaries. All living things, they're on this territory down. Hey, King Selassie, make it hurry. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful in Selassie. People give Jah thanks and praise for all His protection. So show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make them stop, set the blood up on Jaja land. So more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them know them educated and strong. So more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them stop, set the blood up on the land. So more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know set them positive and them strong. Can't afford for the love to go missing, cause everyone would be fussing, fighting and dissing. Can't afford no hate and chipping, cause everyone would be vexed. Your work will get skipping. Ancient of days, they know the way. Rasta man, they are so fish all the way. In Innocent lives been blown away. A lot of kids been thrown away. So show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make them stop set the blood up on Jajalan. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them know them educated and strong. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them stop set the blood up on the land. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know set them positive and them strong. A lot of people despise them while they wait for the visions to open up their eyes. Then why is it the wicked man that fight them? Now they're saying to themselves it seems no one really like them. Teach the children love and make them learn to. Cause if the Rasta not teach them who them a turn to, show them how much you're really concerned to. Wicked people gonna burn too. So more love, Mr. Rastaman. I make them stop send the blood up on Jajalan. Show them more love, Mr. Rastaman. Make the youths them know them educated and strong. So more love, Mr. Rastaman. I make the ghetto youths them send the blood up on Jalan. So more love, Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know them clean and strong. Wow, don't you hype and exalt it out. Poor people business come sort it out. See rusting, don't laugh it out. Righteousness I come start it out. Yeah, we are all brothers keeper. Yeah, we are sisters keeper. Ooh, of course, we are one people. And I'm always gonna say it's good over evil. Yeah, man, so more now, Mr. Rastaman. I make them stop set the blood up on Jajalan. Show them more love, Mr. Rastaman. Make the youths them know them educated and strong. No more love in Mr. Rastaman. Make the ghetto youths know so them live on the land. So more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know so them positive and them strong. Can't afford for the love to go missing. Cause everyone would be fussing, fighting and dissing. Can't afford no hate and chipping. Cause everyone would be vexed. Your work will get skipping. Ancient of days, they know the way. Rastaman, they are selfish all the way. Innocent lives been blown away. A lot of kids been thrown away. So show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make them stop set the blood up on Jajalan. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman.
Against King Selassie. Know that your kingdom a come down. We see the wicked them a run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, never take it to him word, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world for to corruption. They're on corruption, yeah. Rasta man, I warn you, yeah. Politicians fool the people, yeah. Tell you no lie, they're able. We saw the leaders of the world bow down to evil, yes. Rasta man, I warn you, yeah. Tell you the whole damn world's in trouble, yeah. Consumed by their own evil, the falling angels of this world. Now that your kingdom will come down. We see the wicked them and run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, never take it to him words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world for corruption. They're on corruption, yeah.
Don't see their lies. Pick up yourself, be wise. We fit the description and they sending they spies. Why? Ask me why. People look around you, can't you see plans for the demise? 1/5 of us must die. I will show you game aims. I've seen the plan, man. Slowly importing schemes and the dreams inside our brain. Hang. Don't get too faint, cause I could just give it bit by bit. Cause life is just too short for the like the big thing. They would like us to look upon.
Come down. We see the wicked them and run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, Like the rock of Gibraltar, Rasta not sell out to no devil or no pastor, cause we know Jaffy we self, and I put on chase after. To where some man not go with, we can't believe how we island this. Where we culture gone, is what happened to with dignity, this is a big alarm. Our heroes fight for us to have our own, and burning spear come tell me my highland dance alone. So stand up, brothers and sisters, and make I fight back to a culture. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and make I fight back to a culture. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica.
Make we take pride in our culture, be like all the freedom fighters. Remember from where we come from, oh yes. Don't deny yourself to be like another.
Yeah. I know we people alone are saying it, all the foreigner them are saying it, that Caribbean's not what it used to be, yeah. Know how if we make bad influence destroy our little paradise in the Caribbean Sea, yeah. Don't forget the past so we will not have a great future. Listen me no people, the youth them and the future. We can't teach them to skin out and not forget the root which is Georgia.
Oh yeah.
So stand up, brothers and sisters, and make I fight back to a culture. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and make I fight back to a culture. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Remember you know Liz Rastafari is a lion, I mean a man call you them dog. Represent Mount Zion. Know yourself and don't be like the fool in the abundance of water. You're still thirsty, you have to firm like the rock of Gibraltar. Don't sell out your soul to no devil or no pastor. Know job for yourself, Jah is the only master. Only way for we prosper. So stand up, brothers and sisters, and make I fight back to a culture. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and make I fight back to a culture. Stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica.
Why mankind I know they are so covet. Some of them are vampire, me say some of them are witch. Every day them get up and them a try them funny tricks. I just black people, them want to get embarrassed. Them want to brainwash we well diplomatic. And an apartheid system, so enough of them are back it. And nothing what we do, them don't appreciate it. That's why me Allah otherwise. Why mankind them so covet. Every day them get up and them a try them funny tricks. Why mankind them so covet? I'm look on them tell them so rude boy. No me say only the almighty people who fi worship. You know the almighty him well damn equipped. Make we back with belly with chest, make we spine and we hip. We hand them fit thumb and we foot them fit kick down in a river Jordan with the almighty tip. Then who did a dip in no John the Baptist? When him come out of the water, him feel so classic. And dunk on him shoulder, a white dove bitch that's like me yalla otherwise. Why mankind them so covet? Every day them get up and them a try them funny tricks. Remember why mankind them so covet? I'm look on them and tell them say again road boy. Well enough of them don't know. Them don't know how Jesus exists. Something him come from Jupiter, which is the largest planet. No for talk about him daddy, him name a Joseph. But this is something they want to understand it. Say Mary conceived by the Holy Spirit, and over the manger a big star pitch, and 3 wise men them diligently search it, and as them find the baby so them start worship. Then out of them treasure you know them came gift. Then Joseph get a dreamer from an angel, well quick take up the mother and a child, flee over Egypt, cause they road him a look for the child to kill it. To him know the little child wine beyond prophet. That's why me yalla otherwise. Why mankind them so covet? Every day them get up and them a try them funny tricks in bad way. Why mankind them so covet? forget. Open the ears and listen. What me tell them say again? Said I'm talking to the poor and I'm talking to the rich. You're driving your Corolla or you're driving Civics. You could be ambitious or you could be worthless. John, you could be wise or be a lunatic. Could that be a pirate or be a convict or be a peacemaker or be a terrorist? Just open on no ears. I want to listen me lyrics. And only the Almighty people who will worship. You know the Almighty. Him well damn equipped. Him make we back with belly with chest. Him make we spine now we hip. Make we hand them fit up and we put them fit.
They think they coulda get us out, but they only running them out. Whoa, think they coulda get us out.
Fireman a blaze up the fire and people water can't out.
Fireman a blaze them out. East, west, north and south. Whoa, fireman a blaze them out.
Babylon me know so them coulda never get us out. Right. So them want to take it over. Me see say them not sober. Babylon me a go turn it over. So them want to take it over. Them couldn't make it over. Couldn't stretch it over. That one and him. So them couldn't cross the bridge through the dirty life. When none for them a live. Rastafari is the ultimate. Give and forgive. And tell the ghetto you them righteousness. Well them for dig. I say again.
Think they coulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, think they coulda get us out.
Fireman a blaze up the fire and the water can't out.
Fireman a burn them out. East, west, north and south. Whoa, fireman a blaze them out.
Fireman a blaze can't out. Alright then yo, hey. Get a youth when you watch it. Watch the road you step to Babylon. The whole of them mad. Alright again. Them bust your head like salad. The whole of them would grudge you for everything you have. But anyway,
Never leave your head back careless, cause Babylon we take it like a bailiff. Yo, any day this Rastafari no play this. Me say again, you see. Think they woulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, think they woulda get us out.
fireman a blaze up the fire and the water can't out.
Think they woulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, fireman a burn them out.
Burn them in the east, the west, the north and the south. Well, Babylon, me tell them, say no way I wanna retire, cause I blaze up this fire higher and burn by the wire, yeah. Cause the fireman a blaze, no have the time for gaze, and tell them change their evil ways. Alright again, do you see the flame blue? They know them true. Rastafari, then what you wanna do, yeah. If you see the flame red, then you know it's a being a vampire. I'm gonna get back, so me say again. If you see the flame green, then you know what me mean. Me burning out them evil and them scheme, yeah. If you see the flame gold, then you know me burning out the evil out of them soul, yeah.
Think they woulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, think they woulda get us out.
Fireman, fire not even extinguish and no out.
Think they woulda get us out. Think they woulda get us out. Whoa, think they woulda get us out.
Never stop produce for all her children. Don't be an enemy to a very, very good friend. Oh, what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I, and none can destroy. Mother hurt, never stop work ever since you've been employed. Oh, what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I, none can destroy. Never stop work ever since you've been employed. Yeah, come make you show them over the big city calamity where I come. That is the earth and the fullness thereof like unto none. I've got no money now, me power in abundance, food it a run. Them this mother earth every day and still I walk on touch a ground. The seeds I sow will grow in due season. Healing herbs and fruit natural botanical garden. Can't I to blood the meat and a big rasta man pardon. Jump, remove and breathe, delete all burdens. And oh, what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I, none can destroy. But I heard never stop work ever since you've been employed. Oh, what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I can destroy.
since you've been employed. Boy, children old and all young have to praise him. Creatures of this air, foes of the earth, all earthly things. Praise him for the mountains, moon and stars, sun and wind. Make a joyful noise unto King Selassie and give praises. Oh, what a what a joy, knowing that this earth had been given unto I and I, none can destroy. Mother Earth never stop her ever since she have been employed. Oh, what a joy. Mother Earth never stop her ever since you've been employed. None can destroy. Mother Earth, they're fixing unto me rich mom. You see, bless all things that all you have been all eating. Yea, nevertheless, Mother Earth is always giving. I wouldn't want my life if this earth haven't been existing. My soul wait for Jah more than those who watch it for the morning. Oh, what a joy, knowing that this earth had been given unto I and I. None can destroy, it's no alloy. Mother Earth never stop work ever since you've been employed. Children, come make me show them up for you. Become a city calamity where you come. Hey, Jah is the earth and the fullness thereof like unto John. I've got no money and the power.
Them not love it then, them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to love me. Set the trend, them not love it then, them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to love me. Bad bush, pull them up. No people bad mind, pull them up. No fit chat them, love me look. No for them no love them. Criticize the cause they spell. No for them no wish you well. Talk about them want to hit. Bad mind people only want to dead. Up to the top down, them sweet tablets one drop down. What am I gonna do if stop this? Gonna go one side and watch this. Him plant a tree, good fruit, coming from a good root. He made the poor a good youth. Put your money to good use. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. You thought the truth, them quarrel. Them coming like a crab in a barrel. Them no one's wanna see but them want chill. They know you want things sorry. They can't just innovative. Some of them too outdated. They comfy work, no argument. I deal you palaces and monuments. And I mix up when a ground sting. Wanna clean up on the surrounding. You wanna be happy, you wanna be nice. Then I got to make that sacrifice. Pull the gear, no jump, no fence. Crime and violence don't make no sense. I make my life better. Them bad man whatsoever. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. Wake up, best not what we do. Ignorant people, I'm not with you. And the youth, them blessing, I'm mad you. Move from your swag, what do you? Time to see the world. Time to see my girl. The diamond and the pearl. Help the poor people from early. Rasta propose it. The devil can't oppose it. Wicked men don't know. This almighty Rasta grows. They're fighting but no longer. See, I gave me 100 stronger. Come in the droves and numbers. Cast them aside. Set the trend. Them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. Set the trend. Them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. Bad bush, pull them up. No people bad mind, pull them up. No fit chat them, love me look. No for them no love me book. Criticize the cause they spell. No for them no wish you well. Talk about them want to hit. Bad mind people only want to dead. Up to the top down. Them sweet tablets one drop down. What am I gonna do if stop this? Gonna go one side and watch this. Him plant a tree, good fruit, coming from a good root. He made the poor a good youth. Put your money to good use. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. Enough of them want to like the end. You thought the truth, them quarrel. Them coming like a crab in a barrel. Them no one's wanna see but them want chill. They know you want things sorry. They can't just innovative. Some of them too outdated. Make comfy work, no argument. I deal you palaces and monuments. And I mix up when a ground sting. Wanna clean up on the surrounding. You wanna be happy.
Tragedy. Well, Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down.
leads me on my way. So I've no doubt to open up your sight there. Be strong and shine your light here. Oh yes, you got to conquer the fight here. When you think Jah is absent, Jah is right there. The Almighty show it all things. The Almighty know it all things. The Almighty grow it all things. Let the blessing flow on all things, yeah. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. And when I'm going through hard times, He made me strong from the first time. I'm so glad I was born. Now I'm my time. The whole world sees the sign. When He speaks, we comprehend. And He's the only source we can depend on. The faith of the nation He defending. He'll tell the praise, no pretending. Whoa. The Almighty show it all things. The Almighty know it all things. The Almighty grow it all things. But the blessing all things, yeah. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Hey, I'm a victim of the system. Break free, stay free. Let we hail the King. The family reunion is needed for the future. Plant a seed, yeah. You should know and not believe. But the most High works are very pleased. The fire burning and we never see it. Emperor Celeste show it all things. Emperor Celeste know it all things, yeah. Emperor Celeste grow it all things. Let the blessing flow on all things. Tragedy, Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Rasta never let me down, no. Never let me down. Lead me on my way. Oh yeah. Jah never let me down, no.
Yeah. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Yeah. 'Cause Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, yeah. We know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears. Ooh, in this time of destruction, we must hold on firm. We got to get along, being over hurdles, all of the mountain tops. Forward on, we all are marching on. We say, Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all tears, yeah. We know we must win the fight. Ooh, when the wicked try come and eat upon thy flesh, we know that Jah, He is the best over trials and tribulations, because Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and on fighting and fighting, against the wicked in high and low places. No matter what they do, no matter what they try, I and I, we shall overcome, because Jah shall wash away the tears from my eyes in times when the storms and the tides are raging high. Yeah, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive. Yeah, Jah shall wash away all the tears, because Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. We are all one people. Oh, yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Yeah, oh yeah. We can do it as one nation. Oh yeah. We can sing as one people. We can shape a future that is fair and free, fighting down all levels of hypocrisy. As it is with you, so it should be with me. One bond, one unity together now. We can see that the tables is prepared, and they see that we're no longer scared. We can see Obama's made the change, and now the whole world can say together now. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We can do it all as one nation. Yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. One nation, yeah. See the children suffering, so much pain and they still not recovering. Time to get to the root of the problem and root out the right solution. Today, listen to the words of the prophets. We're all kings and queens in the palace, yeah. So no more abusement, we want it. We can get it all together, say. Yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh, yeah, yeah. We can do it as one nation. Yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, sing again. This is the generation that will change the game. This won't remain, no, things won't be the same. As the day turns to night and the dark to light, we'll work to make it right. I'll say again, this is the generation that will change the game. This won't remain, no, things won't be the same. As the day turns to dark and the night to light, we'll work to make it right, yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh yeah, yeah. We can do it as one nation. We will continue to sing as one people. Oh yeah. What do we say? time and place. Don't make the love go two ways. No matter this try we raise. A time feel we get, feel we praise. Well, if you fighting your brother, they know you build up each other. And when you burn out your neighbor, you don't have a grip on time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Again reaching out to the leaders. Be pleasers and don't be deceivers. Cause black was not born to be losers. Hey, black full of shakers and movers. No more fighting, my brothers. Goodwill and peace to my sisters. No more war in the ghetto. Upliftment for all youths, me say through the passage of time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Yeah. No be a mental slave. Me say we done with those days. Yes, we can and will change. I saw the black fire feel blaze. So get your mind out the gutter. Go work for your bread and your butter. Time for the black man to prosper. Yes, Rasta know is the time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Jamaica said that it's time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Bahamas say it's time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Earths and Keiko say that it's time. Time, time, time. You know that it's time. Time, time, time. Canada say it's time. Time, time, time. Time, time. We say it's time. In the same time zone.
Sure, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go. Let's go. You know. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go. Let's go. Ah, yeah. Yo, man got tried it in a Zimbabwe. None of them couldn't sing that day. Liberation and bring that day. So them a feel the king that day. Man go chat down a Ghana. Judgment protect them when me chat Botswana. When a business who want say that me a informer. Ask them how genocide reaching a Ghana. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go. Let go. Let go my people, yeah. Whoa, let's go. You know. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let go. Let go. Well, me got a shamani until the wicked man no try to swarm me. A 4 laser bomb, cause tsunami. They all them come up. Guani, guani, again. Well, me got to Ethiopia, the emperor's own home. Tell the girls to you them stay away from Rome. Tell them say to leave Babylon alone. Hey, some men said, let go, let's go, let go. Who say
Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go, yeah. Ha. See that now, chop. Well, me got shot Gambia. Right now, me tell them me burn out the Zambia. And tell me black command them say no use no Ambia. Bigger judgment, when I never know. Well, me got shot down a Sudan. And tell the whole of the people, them said them fi good and righteousness, them fi live and shouldn't. Yeah, King Selassie is first, yeah. We ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, hey. Who's Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, well everything I figure clean. Got the Rasta man a business if a submarine. When you're out, and when you're in. Rastafari is the ultimate, the red, gold and green. Anyway, me say again, could up on the ship. Rastafari is the ultimate, me say we not switch. Our plane, buy your ticket and don't make them pick it. Keep it, yeah, I hear me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who's Africa? Yo, let's go to the land of love. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, who's Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go.
The truth and the story, yeah. Me not take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if you make the pot, them turn down. Me burn them from the rising to the sundown. Now take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if you make the pot, them turn down. Me bless the youth from the rising to the sundown. Some of us are yo. So them system me assess and get to realize that Babylon dirty system is a mess. Yes, so them say them have recess and tell me say it heading towards the Great Depression. Yo, white squalor come the youth them in them chest. Look how much promises them make where them never keep yet. Look how long them say them a come allow them still not reach yet. Say them are the strongest, them are the weakest. We not take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if you make the pot them turn down. Me burn them from the rising to the sundown. Nah take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if you make the pot them turn down. Too much innocent I get gunned down. Alright then, them find the shoes and them can't find the lace. Find the toothbrush and can't find the toothpaste. Them find the suit and can't find the suitcase. White squad put a permanent screw on them face. Several times I sit them with them two face. A full time now me want see them true face. Every day them have a new case. But righteousness to get the youth me no lose. We not take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if we make the pant them turn down. Bless the youth them from the rising to the sundown. Nah take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if we make the pant them turn down. Yo, bigger judgment again, but hear me now. But see them now. Through the recession, them a tell me things ration. Them scrape it out until it reach rock bottom. But right now, me come to set another pattern. From my straight down in Japan, yo. So me set the fire about this can't stop on. Well, the whole world King Shango come lock on. So me ready to put the fire upon Satan. When me speak, them must think me a cut Latin. So them wanna sword, me say them a go drop on. I just let to get the youth say, nah take no pushing and no run round. Them no bring no food and them come round. But if we make the pot them turn down. Me burn them from the, alright then. So me say, better know this. You better know this. None of them get the youth say, yeah, they wanna divide us. And them no want me rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Them no want we to rise up. That's why them try to divide us. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Focus division
religion. Political conflict cause segregation. Divide and rule, no good for any nation. That's why Rasta chant unification. The people can't survive without education. If the people not collective, how the people are go strong. If they don't organize, they know them are go set a plan. That's why we chant for liberation. When me say unity, strength, me tell the youth them say survival. My bond is them and the schism and the tribal. And my bond divisional, suicidal. Bond the oppressors, me say and them a rival. Suppressing the people with political rival. Constrain economical tidal. Tell them say we no want no more reprisal. Else let's say we praise and no idol. One more loving on the region. So we get rid of the division. Burn the politics with the religion. Let them know say that we not swear no legion. So plant more food, make it grow. Got enough more seed of it sow. How much more trees of it grow? By the sweater you brown, or this is now you brown. Them want divide us, and them no one will rise up. And then they take us for a ride. They want us to be wise, to shoot them idol. They want to divide us, and then they want to rise up. They want to take us for a ride. They want us to be wise, to shoot them idol.
Roll in the country just to free my mess. Over time, cloud the mind, I can't lose my head. Go and tell the farmer I need the bread. It's his own adventurous. Look at the people suffer, yet they work so hard. Gotta be smart, gotta be free, wisdom is your reward. Think of your family and search yourself. Don't you go hurting yourself. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't life, nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. We celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't life, nothing no nice. Hear from a girl like my nursery. Baby, this month is our anniversary. Be looking sexy, baby, as I mentioned. Because I'm taking you somewhere special. You know it's not the time, not the weather. When you have got someone that's even better. Stop the war, let them talk whatsoever. Let us get together. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Good to be here, good to be around. Spread the word, one love is the sound. Evil and the corrupt people, them get bound. Wicked man in their wicked deeds, see them drowning. Thanks and praise unto Jah. No matter what, I try to make it happen. So all we are going. Just celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Rolling the country just to free my mess. Over time, clouding mind, kinda lose my head. Go and tell the farmer we need the bread. It's so adventurous. See the people suffer when the world's so wrong. Gotta be free, gotta be smart, wisdom is the reward. Don't hurt yourself. Have you no sister? Have you no brother? Yeah. Don't go around hurting one another. Cause Jah got a blessing for you.
Just got a blessing
for your children and their children too.
Love the
That's what I said. Jah got a blessing for you.
Just got a blessing
for your children and their children too.
Love the little children.
No war, no catastrophe. Don't destroy people and their property. Power comes with responsibility. Do what you're doing and do it properly. Cause Jah got a blessing for you.
Just got a blessing
for your children and their children too.
Love the
That's what I said. Rastafari got his blessing for you.
Just got a blessing
for your children and their children too.
Love the little children.
Shall never fail it. No way. In all it's doing, he prevaileth. Black Star Line a sailing. Heaven and earth, all things are created. Cause Jah got a blessing for you.
Just got a blessing for you.
For your children and your children too.
Love the little children.
Rastafari have all blessings for you.
Just got a blessing for you.
For your children and their children too.
Love the little children.
Oh, Jah said we should leave us one. Praise King Selassie, all you nations. All life and the creation. Oh, can't you see it's love and salvation, repatriation? Cause Jah got all blessings for you.
Just got a blessing
for your children and their children too.
Love the little children.
For us, I have all these blessings for you.
Just got a blessing for you.
For your children and your children too.
Love the little children.
It's the same for each other.
Right up and the devil no way. So they say, so I do it anyway. These are the words I say every day. Before I strap up, I say, yo, Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
Click clock, another gunshot. Enough innocent lose them like Judah, yeah. The wicked rejoice, yeah. The wicked rejoice. Still, I won't fear, cause I know clear. Jah got my walk everywhere out there, yeah. That's why I rejoice, yeah. My prayer to Jah. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
It's a daily routine to live in the dream. They simply take hold of our minds. I swear it begins because to lose control of the mind of the people is destruction to the matrix. Then the empire comes tumbling in. You see, we live in the times where evil men be on the rise, making war, taking lives, corrupted leaders, taking bribes. So keeping your soul revived is worth the risk. They put you in the twilight zone and you're right back where you
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
Holy on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it through the day. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
You hear it on the news about a virus in the air, them let loose. And I tell pure lie to the youths. Say them not know how it come about when them same one bring it back. On the news, you hear about the virus where them lose. And I tell pure lie to the youths. Say them not know how it come about. Mr. Mojo make me hear you shout.
Saints, and every day I lay me down to sleep. I go to my knees, could never be vain, provocative about to the beast. You see, I won't forget my foes. They waiting at my door, thinking of a plan to tear me down and get me back in the game. Lives we live and the lives they take. Plagued with viruses, they call a mistake. Just think if they could ever erase the 30-something percent. The human race is family, y'all. We represent.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it through the day. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it through the day. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
They live and sell out their soul just to gain a little life. Them boy they are traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them go side with old dog. Anchor against the creator. Them boy they are traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them side with the house of Saul. Anchor against the creator. Yeah. How can you fix your mouth to talk against the king? How can you blaspheme against his royal children? Then the sis say, I held them, I bring them on them head, them on them head. Them same boy they sell out Jesus Christ. Them same boy they sell out Marcus Garvey. Them not see them and roll with the wrong dice. So Lord, yeah. Them boy they are traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them no side with no dog. Anchor against the creator. Traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them side with the house of Saul. Anchor against the creator. Yeah. Since when violence become a part of it, yeah. How can you strike down your own brethren? Yeah. It seems like we're gone, mentally we're gone, we're gone, spiritually. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them side with the house of Saul. Anchor against the creator. Them why they are traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them side with the house of Saul. Anchor against the creator. Just saying. Give an helping hand to your brother when he's crying out. Give an helping hand to your sister when she's crying out. Give an helping hand to your brother and good will come around. Give an helping hand to your sister. Whether it's your family or whether it's your friend, Jah created us to be one in His name. Jah will never divide us. Mankind divides itself. Yes. Now hatred is our enemy, not a falling friend. So give an helping hand to your brother when he's crying out. Give an helping hand to your sister when she's crying out. Give an helping hand to your brother when he's crying out. Give an helping hand to your sister. Hear the weak crying. Ooh, 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 ooh,
yeah. Now if you love humanity, then you would fight for equality. love humanity, then you would fight for justice and peace. You should never see your brother crying and enormous pain. You should never let your sister walk down the wrong lane.
Give an helping hand to your brother when he's crying out. Give an helping hand to your sister when she's crying out. Give an helping hand to your brother when he's crying out. Give an helping hand to your sister. Hear the weak crying. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
People are calling. People are calling. People are calling.
Thinking they do that you would take a little break to put some time in all the youth them who we call the young soldiers. Now it's time we run me up and take our rightful place. Kings with the crown, show them who are really run the place. Jaja roll, if you know say handle me, handle you. Jaja roll, millions in your crew you still lose. Cause Jaja roll, man has forgotten about God flying high on the wings of evil as kings. Still Jaja roll, you all they go them and go them never remember say before summer come. So make them go hype up and a sight up. Say the things where them like up. I go make them get where them no really want, but still the lion I want them, but them no want fear. Lights, camera, action, that's all they want fear. In love with the world, in love with vanity, exploit their own insanity. Ha! Where's the hope for humanity? We no member Jaja roll. If you know say handle me, handle you. Jaja roll. Millions in your crew you still lose. Cause Jaja roll. Man has forgotten about God flying high on the wings of evil as kings. Still Jaja roll. If you know say handle me, handle you. Jaja roll. Millions in your crew you still lose. Cause Jaja roll. Man has forgotten about God flying high on the wings of evil as kings. Still Jaja roll. And some will say they don't give a shit. All they care about is partying, sexing and getting riches. And some will tell you say they don't give a ass. And tell you say them a run the world and them a boss. We put a fire bombas, make them know say Jah rule over land, the air, heat and water. How with your guns, ammunition, and stocks still have the fear Jah. Cause nothing greater than the Father. A Jaja roll.
Forgotten that we all came up for nothing. So easy we forget. Truth is we need to be discussing the roots of our origin. Live like righteous kings again. We need to remember we created in the image of
Jaja roll.
Is Jah creator,
Jaja roll.
from the start of time.
Jaja roll.
Yes, no man forget but Jah and I but Jah.
Just know that he's the king of
Jaja
kings.
roll.
When things not going man way, man fall pan knees and call pan Jesus' name. When things are go good, man no remember that name. That's when hype get away. Man start to get freaky. Every day a drunk at business partying weekly. We take us man and never stop chat na your bingy. Ancestors guide we through this world every day.
A Jaja roll. If you know say handle me, handle you. Jaja roll. Millions in your crew you still lose. A Jaja roll. Man has forgotten about God flying high on the wings of evil as kings. Still Jaja roll. If you know say handle me, handle you. Jaja roll. Millions in your crew you still lose. A Jaja roll. Man has forgotten about God flying high on the wings of evil as kings. Still Jaja roll. Yeah.
Check the energy. Yo, them want who I am and where I'm from.
Oh, give me the yard, I got if you don't be evil man. Bust with the conquering lion, no no fear overstand. Send me the Zion. Them want who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the yard, I got if you don't be evil man. Bust with the conquering lion, no no fear overstand. Send me the Zion. I am elected and permitted to teach the nation. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty One. So that's the eye. Emmanuel Marcus with the vision. No fit overstand. Some me say 1 in a 3 and 3 in a 1. Never never disagree, all annihilation. You better check the energy and the constellation. Then you woulda know the man living a man. The physical of the communicate with the inner man. Hail King Selassie Rasta man. I them one who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the heart already to run the evil man. Must be the conquering lion. No no fear overstand. Say me live as a young. Them one who Rastafari. Aye, some me tell some boy me say fi stop call with them. This a no dog, no flea, this a no mange. Well, enough of them missus said them no stop up strange. Enough of them get caught all in on the wrong range. This the prophets and now them all go get range. Enough of call the king name to them want get fame. Hail King Selassie without a lame. Them want to watch me levels and the whole of them strain. Wanna see this open, them one who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the yard of rat if you run the evil man. Must be the conquering lion, none of the overstand. Say me live as a young. Them one who I am, where I am. Oh, give me the heart of rat if you run the evil man. Must be the conquering lion, none of the overstand. Say me live as a young. Well, no spirit cannot manifest without the flesh. In the north, and the south, and the east, and the west. Me burn them, and me go burn them dead. Me burn them, and still I burn them yet. Well, no for them, me tell them, say God think and check. From the north, to the south, to the east, to the west. I'm a Hail King Selassie, I as the highest. No for them going late to rest, but righteousness out the morning first. Get to you, swallow up your head, Babylon, get upset, them or reject. With them internet, them technology, when them come to take. Well, enough for them are the least, she said them are the less. Them still warm, who I am, and where I'm from. Oh, give me the heart of rat if you done the evil man. Must be the conquering lion, none of the overstand. Say me live as a young. Them warm, who I am, where I'm. Oh, give me the heart if you done the evil man. Must be the conquering lion, none of the overstand. Babylon, you're cruel, 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 cruel. More fireman and say I'm more fuel. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Well, the wicked man have to go bed like jewel. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Never speak the truth, you only lie, you never true will. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. If I don't bun, them more cruel. Babylon went down, blood down. In your own blood, we say you are going down. Go down, blood down. No get to you to put under the ground. Go down, go down. Some men burn them up with words and powers and sound. Go down, go down. Someone catch up on the shark and I go drown. My voice is like the instrument. Word, sound and power with good influence. But the wicked man with the things where them are implement. Them done it deliberately, it was coincidence. Vampire get pegged with them penicillin. Some find out them don't got no diligence. Sell out the ghetto loot and show dividends. That's the far tell the youth them intelligent. Tell them again, me tell them say go down, go down. Well, if I get for you to put under the ground. Go down, blood down. You know you want blood, me say you are go down. Go down, go down. Rastafari bless the youth with great powers and sound. Go down, go down. Burn comedian on the clown. Alright, so me say again. The things in the ghetto ain't proper. Them treat the ghetto youth them like crapper. And turn poor people in a squatter. Give them gun, then turn them in a shatter. Bullets start shoot them like maca. Enough of them got turn gun tatter. Gun maca. See them now Rastafari tell the youth the fire hotter. So me say again, get down, get down. Vampires and pagan, the whole of them a clown. Get down, get down. And the leaders them a let the people down. Get down, get down. I still say at the kings of kings, the way the triple crown. Get down, get down. When you see the ghetto youth, them don't frown. Babylon, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Well, I'm more fire, me I say I'm more fuel. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Who your man and vampire, Capleton melt them like jewel. Cruel,
cruel, cruel. Yo, them never speak the truth, them never true will. Some me say them cruel, cruel, cruel. Rastafari run, them up cruel. The whole of them are thief. Yo, me hear them talk about boom. Hey, humanitarian relief, then them hurricane relief. And I know the money went gone, cause I know poor people no see it. Well, enough of them no care. Then ask them why them have to build so much. Even if I say why them build nuclear. Rastafari not swear, but tell them some burning out the eagle and the dragon, put a fire upon the bear. Hey, just stop and listen for a while. Sister, them boy and them no really have no heart for the child. That's why them have to build so much missile. Toxic waste them have to destroy the soil. Some me say again, I will burn them without any pity. Rasta burn and go burn down them shitty. Got me find out them a deal with too much iniquity. Alright then, I know the road it gets slippery, but tell the ghetto youth the bad that end up in them shittery. Rastafari the ultimate, they give them the trick way. Your righteousness, them cannot pour with them off a retreat. Alright again, you see it. Tell them say go down, go down. Vampires and pagan, the whole of them a clown. Go down, go down. And it's the last team, I wear the triple crown. Go down, go down. I King Selassie, I govern the town. Go down, go down. I listen up and me know him now frown. Wear the crown, them go down.